Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on the auto factory reset in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. What does it do? If we guess wrong our password 20 times or more, the phone will automatically do a reset. It's very useful security option. So where to find it? Settings, lock screen, not in security. Lock screen, secure lock settings. Confirm our pattern, and here we have auto factory reset. So after 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone, it will be reset to factory default settings, and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded apps. Turn it on, and now it's turned on, of course. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.